Assalamu alaikum, grade 1, and a very good morning to all of you. So, how are you all doing? Good. That's very great. Okay. Today is the last working day of this week because in tomorrow, by last working day, I means that in tomorrow's class, we will be taking only assessments and we will only be revising what we have covered in this week, right? Okay. So, tell me, have you revised what we did in yesterday's class? Okay, who is going to tell me what we were doing? What was the topic we were covering? Yes, placing values. Excellent. We are working with placing values, and through that, we are practicing writing number names in the form of that, right? Okay, so are you guys enjoying this? Okay, remember that placing values. Okay, who is going to tell me what does placing values mean? Excellent. That according to the mathematical rules, there are some preset positions for the certain numbers, and we are supposed to write the numbers according to those positions, right? Okay, excellent. And what is the method we are using for that, for learning that, or what is the method which is helping you in learning this placing values? Yes, with the help of abacus. Excellent. And with the help of abacus, what we do, we write the values on ones place and on tens place, and then we count them. Okay, so what were the number names that we learned in yesterday's class? Can anybody tell me? Yes, we write from 50 till 60, right? Okay, so I'm drawing an abacus for you, and let me know what's the number. Okay, who is going to tell me what is this number? Tell me what's the first step that we do. We always start from left hand side. So how many ones are there? One, two, and three, right? Now move toward this side. How many tens are there? One, two, three, four, and five. So the number is 53. And who is going to tell me the spellings of 53? Yes. F I F T Y. 50. Good. THREE. Excellent. So we are working with placing values, and then we are practicing writing number names according to those placing values, according to those values which are preset by the mathematical rules. We started from 1, right? And then we have already covered till 60. And in today's class, inshallah, we will be practicing from 60 till 70. And as you know that in tomorrow's class, we will be having a small assessment from whatever we have covered in this week. So I'll be the quiz that I'll be taking from 1 till 70. Okay, so you're supposed to revise all of the number names very carefully, because I can give you any. Okay, the quiz I'll be taking would be in this way, that let's say I'll be drawing in a abacus for you, and then I'll be asking you to please count the number of beads on ones and tens and then write their numbers. Or I can ask you that, let's say, I can ask you the other way around as well, that let's say if the number is 53, how many numbers of beads would be on ones column, and how many number of bead would be on tens column? So you will be telling me the number of beads, right? Okay, so we can work on both ways. Similarly, if let's say I give you a number in the form of words, and I can ask you that please write it in the form of ones and tens. So what we will be doing, the very first step, remember, whatever the question is, the very first step that we'll be doing will be that write the placing values on the number. Let's say I give you a number, that the number is 554, and I ask you to write it in the form of words. So what you will be doing, first write their placing values. Always start from ones, tens, and hundreds. So you will get an idea that the highest number is 100. So when you will be writing it in the form of words, you will start from the hundreds place, right? So how many hundreds? Five hundreds, five tens, and four ones. Or the other way can be 554, right? So Remember all of these steps, and whatever we are doing is related to that. Similarly, these values, the placing value topic, what the topics that we will be covering in the other weeks, in upcoming weeks, about addition, about subtraction, right? You will be using all of these placing values in those topics as well. Okay, so let's start with today's topic. So now open your books. This is your page number 18, and today we will be practicing writing number names from 60 till 70. Okay. So tell me, what would be the common in all of the abacus that we will, when we will be writing number names, what would be the common in all of the abacus? Yes. The number of beads. No, no, the number of beads on which side, on which place? On the 10th side. Excellent. And what would be that? 6. Very well done. Now I'm drawing abacus for you, and as you have told me that the number of beads on the tens column will remain same till till 69, right? Because for 70 the number of beads will be different. Okay. So let's draw an abacus over here. Okay, how many number of beads over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this will remain the same. Why? Because we are practicing writing number names from 60 till 70. And the number of beads will vary in this side or on the ones column, and it will vary from from where to where. From 1, it will start from 1, right? And when we count it, 6 on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1. So the number would be 61. And what are the spellings of 61? Okay, all of you must know the spellings of 60 because we did it in yesterday's class, right? So who is going to tell me the spelling? Yes. SIXTY. 60. Excellent. Okay. And ONE. Very well done. Now let's see, if I add one more beads over here, it would become what? It will become 62, right? Okay. And we, what are the spellings of 2? TWO, not TOW. Okay. We have 2 on this side and 6 on this side. Similarly, we will be adding one more, so it will become 63. One more, 64, 65. The numbers will range from 1 till 9 on this side, right? And when we will reach till 9, when the 9 beads will be filled on this side, you know that on one's column we cannot add more than 9 beads. So after 9 we will start adding number of beads on this side, right? So this number will also increase, right? Okay. So all of you have opened your box. Great. Take out your pencils, write today's date, CW, and start writing. And tell me when you reach 69. Okay, we will be doing the 70 together. Got it? Start writing. Hurry up. Yes, all of you are done. Show me your work. Yes, Elise. Hurry up, speed up, bache. Now, what we'll be doing for 70? For 70, we will be having 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 number of beads on this side. And will be there any beads on this side? No. Why? Because when we will have 0 and 7 over here, the number will be 70. And what are the spellings of 70? SEVENTY. 70. Okay, so we are done till 70. We started from 1, and every day we practiced writing number names For every day we practice 10 number names, right? So we started from 1 and we have reached mashallah till 70. So you will be revising all of these for your weekly assessment, and in tomorrow's class I'll be taking that assessment for you. I have also told you the procedure as well. Do revise each and everything and prepare yourself for the assessment. Subscribe this channel and share this video with others because it's free learning for everyone, remember. Okay, see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.